Hi, 1 Hour Smart Home here, and today we're going to show you how to install the Eufy 2C security cameras. So we got our Eufy security camera here. This is the base station, and we have our phone open to the Eufy app. So you can see the logo right here, and you're going to want to download that app for Eufy before you get started with anything. So let's go ahead and click install here. Now, what I like about the Eufy security cameras or the Eufy 2C security cameras is that they are battery powered and you can recharge them. So that means that you can place these pretty much anywhere. And then they are Wi-Fi. So they're going to report with a Wi-Fi signal back to the base station. This base station then converts that into an internet signal so that you can access these cameras from your phone, whether you're in your house or you're remote away from your house. You're also going to have cloud storage with these. So we're going to go ahead and click open once we download the Ufi Security App. And there are a couple different Eufy apps, but the Eufy Security one is what you want to download in order to get this set up. So a whole bunch of information that you should read here. I'm going to go ahead and click accept. And we have not created an account yet, so I'm going to go ahead and click sign up here. And just go ahead and enter a username and password for your Eufy 2C security camera account. It says a verification email has been sent to our mailbox, so let's go ahead and open up our email, and then we're just going to verify that. In our email, we just go ahead and click on the email from Eufy and then enter the verification code when we open up that email, and we're going to go ahead and click submit. And once you do that, all you really need to do is go back to the home screen. So we are at the home screen for sign in for the app. So once you verified it, you're all good to go here, and then just enter your username and password that you created earlier. So we're going to go ahead and enter that now. Now we're going to click login. Now we need to choose the region where we're setting up our device. So let's go ahead and choose it here. And we are in the United States. So let's go ahead and see if that pops up. And we make that selection. And now go ahead and click next. It says, please confirm your region. That is our region. So we're going to click yes. It says Eufy app needs to request your storage permission to store data. We're going to click OK. Now we need to click allow. It says enable fingerprint login. Yeah, you should probably do this. It'll make it a lot easier, but I'm going to click next time. Now we've got the Eufy app open and we're ready to go ahead and add our camera. So I'm just going to click OK to get rid of that notification. And once we do that, then the screen pops up. This is just the home screen, and we're going to go ahead and click add a device. So we've got a couple different items here, and we're going to go ahead and add a home base 2. That's the base station for our Eufy 2C camera. So we're going to go ahead and get that set up first. Let's go ahead and click home base 2 here. It says connect the home base to the LAN port on your router or your modem. So we're going to have to do that. And it says power on the home base. So on the back here, what you can see is that we do have a port here. That's for your local area network connection or your Ethernet cable. You're going to make sure that you connect that to your Wi-Fi router, and then go ahead and power this up with the provided power adapter. So we're going to go ahead and do that now. Just plug in the power adapter, and we're going to go ahead and make sure that we plug in an Ethernet cable to the back of this and that the other end is connected to our Wi-Fi router in a spare port. So now we've got both of those connected. Let's go ahead and just straighten this out right here, and then we're going to need to see if this lights up. So we do get this little light here that indicates that it is starting that setup process, and we're going to go ahead and click next here on the camera. It says connect your phone to the same Wi-Fi router home base is connected to. So we're going to give us a little bit of time for this light while it's blinking, and we're going to click next while we're going through this. It says wait 1 minute until the home base LED turns from red to blue. So we've got this connected to our Wi-Fi network that this is eventually going to be connected to, so we're all good there. And right now it's red. So we're just going to go ahead and wait this out till that LED turns from red to blue.
Welcome to Ufi Security. Follow the instructions in Ufi Security App to set up the system.
All right, you probably heard the home base speaking to us, so it is ready to set up. You've got the blue light instead of the red light, so we're going to go ahead and click next here. It says the Ufi Security App needs to request camera permission to scan the QR code. We're going to go ahead and click OK here, and it says allow Ufi to take pictures and record video. We're going to click allow to that. And now we need to scan the code. On the bottom of this, there's a little QR code, so we're gonna go ahead and do that now.
Home base receives a pairing request. Press the sync button on the back to accept it.
Okay, it said there's a pairing request. Let's go ahead. There's a sync button on the back right here. We're gonna go ahead and click that.
Home base was added successfully.
All right, so the home base added, and it did talk us through that setup, so we have to give this a name. Let's just go ahead and we're going to call this one home base 1. All right, now let's go ahead and we're going to click confirm for that. It says home base was added successfully. Let's go ahead and click next. Now it says update firmware. Let's go ahead and update the firmware while we're here. It's going to take about 5 minutes. It says in order to have good signal transmission, it's recommended that the base is higher up from the ground if possible, and that it's at least half a meter away from the router with that Ethernet cable. So we've got both those positions. So let's go ahead and we're going to click finish here. All right, so our home base is connected, and now we need to get our camera connected. So we want to go ahead and click add a device again. We're just in the main screen here, and we're going to scroll down till we find the camera that we want to connect. So this is a Eufy Cam 2C or a 2C Pro. So let's go ahead and click on that right here. It says keep the camera within 1 meter. I'm going to go ahead and click next because it is. It says press the sync button for 2 seconds until you hear a beep. So the sync button's right here on top. Now I did charge this up for about an hour, and I believe these get fully charged in 4 or 5 hours. So it's a good idea to make sure these are charged. If you don't have it charged up, you can still get it set up, but you're going to need to plug in to the bottom of this with a charger so that this is charging up while you are setting it up. So I'm going to go ahead. There's a sync button right on top right here. We're going to hold that down for 2 seconds until we hear a beep. 1, 2. There we go. The light came on and we heard a beep. So let's go ahead and click next.
Ready to add device. Device was added successfully.
All right, it found the camera, and now we can go ahead and give this a name. So we can call it porch, living room, family room, choose any of these, or we can make a custom name. I'm just going to choose porch for now, and I'm going to go ahead and click next here. Now our camera has been added, so I'm going to go ahead and click next. Let's see if this pops up here. It says optimal battery life, and we've got a couple other items here, and it says optimal surveillance. So here we can set it up. If we want the video clip length to be 20 seconds, that's going to give us the best battery life. If we want optimal surveillance, we're going to have 60 seconds of video clip length, or we can customize how long we want it. So I'm going to leave it at optimal battery life. Here it's got a couple different options for charging. I charged it up the second way here with just a standard phone charger cord that came with it and a power adapter. So let's go ahead and click got it. And now it tells us how we can mount this. So what's really cool about these is they're really easy to mount. You just screw right into the back here. They give you this little piece, and then you can just mount this on the wall. So this comes apart and you put 2 screws right in there, and then you can just kind of change this around. So once you undo this, this comes apart. You would mount that to the wall with the provided screws and that base plate. And then you just go ahead and all you have to do is just take your piece here, and you want to align it up a little bit. There's some tabs in there, but you're just going to go ahead and then screw this back together. And then that's going to allow you to mount your camera wherever you need to. And you can just then screw it into the back here, and you've got your mount now. And you can go ahead and put this wherever you want. So we're going to go ahead and click next here. And right now it says note signal strength. Okay, there it is. We do have signal strength, and you can see the live view right here. My hand waving up and down and forth, back and forth in front of the camera. So we've got this all set up, and you can see the camera moves and the picture moves as we move it around. So we've got a good connection here, and now we're going to go ahead and click mounting complete. It says cannot receive notifications from cameras or sensors. We're going to click no such issue. We don't have any issue like that right now. Now on the app, it shows us our camera, the porch. It's got a battery signal here, our Wi-Fi signal here, and we can just go ahead and click this, and then that's going to play the live view again of what's going on. And you can see my hand right in front of the camera there and me waving it up and down, so we're all good there. Now, I do like these because they are wireless battery cameras, so really easy to recharge. You can put these indoors or outdoors, which is really nice. They do have two-way communication, so you can just go ahead, press hold to speak there, and you're gonna have two-way communication with these. And then you don't have to get a new base station each time that you get a camera. You can add multiple Eufy 2C cameras to one base station. So that works really well if you want to monitor your property with a few of these. I got a package with 2 of the Eufy 2C cameras that I'm going to connect to here so that I can see what's going on. Now they also do have a little flashlight there. So you can probably see we've got that light right here and you can see what's going on. Pretty cool there. I'm going to go ahead and turn that back off. So let's turn that off right here. And now I'm just going to go back and you can see we've got the little photo of what the last view of the camera was, and anytime you need to go in here, you can make adjustments, review footage. You just click on this camera and you can go ahead, click right here, and you're gonna be able to get that live view again. So thank you for watching this video of how to set up your Eufy 2C security camera. These are really nice little cameras here, and I picked this up on Prime Day, so I've had it for a couple months here. Just testing out, it's been pretty good, got good resolution. In my testing, the battery life has been pretty good on these so far, as well as the resolution and picture quality, both during day and nighttime. Now, the spotlight on this is not that great. It's not going to give you that much more illumination, but overall it does have a fairly decent night vision. And for the price, it's a pretty good value. So thank you for watching this video on how to set up your Eufy 2C security camera. Go ahead, give us that thumbs up, subscribe, or click any of the links below if you want to support us, and we'll have a couple links to the Eufy security camera and equipment that we've tested out down below. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.